are about 26 miles northwest of Uvalde. We're right where the hill country starts. That's the north end of our place. We've got pinon pines and really tall hills and kind of mountainous terrain. Then you go to the south end of our place, and it's more like South Texas, mesquite trees, red dirt. So we got a little bit of both worlds. Improving the land, you know, seeing a pasture that was undeveloped or full of brush or cedar or whatever, and then we doze it, we clean it, we take and, you know, get some water going to that area for wildlife and livestock, and then sitting back and looking at it and going, okay, we're better here.
They're taking this property back to a natural state, something that we would see 100 years ago or 150 years ago. There's a lot of invasive species here. We try to go back to a natural type habitat. Basically on the cedar, what we're trying to do is get utilization out of the cedar. What these gentlemen are doing, they're taking the cedars and they're making cedar posts and cedar stays. So it's being repurposed essentially, and it's not just being thrown in the trash.
Everybody likes to hunt. We have 2 daughters, 2 son-in-laws, 6 grandkids. She even shot her first deer out there this year.
Something we can do together. I've never done that, and I'm glad I did. It was good, it was good. Me and the girls both did.
So the kids, they eat it up. They love to hunt, they love that place, and looking forward to the others as they get older to fall into that, because we have a blast.
This morning we're taking the students out on a wildlife ID class. Now we're looking at the very top choice plant, and it's Southwest Bernardia. You can look in books all day long, okay? But you can't get the real idea of what a plant looks like until you see it in the various stages of growth in the wild.
What is this?
What's a gear?
And Byler is one of the ones that allows us to come out here. Got an open gate policy, and so the students get a lot of hands-on experiences. Why aren't you guys speaking up? Wildlife ID is just one of them. We conduct prescribed fires, basically on probably 1,000 acres a year. It's a prescribed fire, so they're gonna do it under ideal conditions to get their hands dirty, in other words. What do we got here? So it's a learning experience every time outside the classroom, but in the outdoor classroom.
Oh, when my wife wants to go for a evening ride and see the sunset go down, that's the part that's the best.
You just feel kind of, you know, like you just let go. Everybody loves to come, and there's just God there. Just God is there, and He definitely has His presence. So it's good. It's great.